We're going to check out some more popular trendy bobs, pixies, undercuts, and all of that jazz. So here we see a beautiful undercut hairstyle. So next we move into a hair transformation. Looks like she is getting ready to cut the hair into a pixie haircut maybe. So she is a professional hairstylist. Obviously she knows how to cut the hair. And she does a lot of really trendy modern haircuts. Ooh, so she did end up doing a pixie. Very nice kind of side swept bangs with this. Love the spikiness, the choppy layers. Very modern pixie cut. And then we see a few bob transformations. Then we move into a hair color change. Ooh, I love this hair color. It's like a very soft gray, silver tone. Very pretty. Then we see this gorgeous platinum pixie haircut. The platinum hair is very in right now. And then we move to this blonde, very micro style bob. You can also classify this as a longer pixie, loving the long bangs with this one. I love how her earrings match her eye color, very pretty. Then we see this beautiful undercut pixie. And then another hair transformation, so she ended up getting highlights with that one. Her shirt is giving me like retro 2000s vibes. And then last, we see this gorgeous undercut pixie. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.